Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to manage the annual owner rate sheet. So the first thing you want to do is go into Docusign, and only a few people have the ability to send bulk Docusign emails, and I'm one of them, and Susie is the other. So I'm going to go into templates, and you can see that this year's rate plan is up on top over here. I'm going to go in and edit it. And when you do this, you can change the year. So that way, well, you can make a copy of it and then go in, change the year. And this is key, that if this document here changes, any of the wording, the layout, you're going to have to upload a new PDF. So what you want to do is you want to upload the new PDF. You don't want to delete this one, because if you delete this one, then you lose all the fields that have been placed on it. So you'd go ahead and upload the new PDF, then go to the next step, and then you're going to have all those fields on the old PDF, and then you'd have a page 2. And then what you do is you shrink it down. So you'll see the first PDF, and then you'll see the second PDF. And you're going to want to move all these fields, just grab them all and then drag them over to the second PDF. And then you can go ahead and delete this first one. This is something I learned that cost me a lot of time, because then I had to go and pull each of those fields and map it over again. So once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. Go ahead and save and close it, and then you're going to go and use it. And this is the part where you go ahead and you have, the way this is set up is the owner's name is blank, because it's going to pull that from the bulk grid. The agent is Ian, and he's going to get a copy to sign after the owner signs. And then Kevin and Susie will get a copy when it's all done. So as Susie does this, she needs to go into advanced edit. And this is the tricky part. I have to keep reminding myself. And you're going to go into import a bulk list. And that's the key. And you're going to go and you're going to navigate to your grid. And you're going to pull a CSV file. So let me show you something here. I'm going to stop at this point, cancel this out. But Susie has sent me the grid for this current year. And if we open this up, you're going to see it's a pretty involved spreadsheet. And the key is, so you have all these fields. You want to create this as a CSV file. So you have a Friday turn and a Saturday turn. So you're going to go up to Saturday, or you're going to click on the Saturday tab, and you're going to do a file, save as, save a copy, and you want to drop that down and say make it a CSV file, and hit save. And it says the selected file type does not support workbooks that contain multiple sheets. We know that. You can't make a CSV a multiple sheet. So to save only the active sheet, which is obviously Saturday, click OK. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go and hit OK, and it will save a CSV file for Saturday. Then you do the same thing, having the Friday highlighted, and then you'll have your two CSV files, one for Friday, one for Saturday. Now, in order to do the test, you want to get rid of all the information on the sheet. Just leave the first row, and you want to change the owner email to be your email, because if you don't do that, the owner will actually get the email. So you go ahead and put in, I'll put in john@intracoastalrealty.com in the CSV file, and then that is the one that you're going to use when you select the bulk file. Pick the Saturday test one and the Sunday test one, just to make sure all the dates look good, and you just go ahead and send that out. And then what you're looking for is that everything lines up nicely. And I think I went ahead and deleted the latest test one. But I think if I go into Docusign one more time, I think I have an example of the one I just recently tested, and Ian had signed it. So if I go into manage and into my inbox. This was the one I think we did yesterday. And see if I can click on that. Yep. So Ian went ahead and, oh, no, that's something else. Sorry, let's try this again. Go back into manage. Let's see. Actually, I don't see it in here. But anyway, that is an overview on how you edit the PDF and do a test of the annual owner's rate sheet. Hope this is helpful to myself or anyone else that has to do this in the future. Thanks for watching.